Hey there, filmmakers. Ready to create your own movie story? Let's do it together. Here's how it works. Fill in the blanks to come up with a fun movie idea. One day, that's where you pick an animal. Found a magical, what's the object? But when they touched it, this is where something surprising happens. Now they must, what's the big challenge? Before it's too late. I'll go first. One day, a curious gorilla found a magical camera, but when they touched it, everything they took a picture of disappeared. Now they must find a way to reverse the magic before the whole jungle vanishes. Now it's your turn. Grab your book and fill in the blanks. First, pick an animal. Maybe a unicorn,
Oh, hello. Nice to see you.
a hopping frog, or a tiny dog with big dreams. Next, choose a magical object. A glowing book, a time-traveling skateboard, a wand that turns everything into pizza. Yum! I love pizza. Now figure out what happens when they touch it. Does it send them to another world? Give them superpowers? And finally, what's the big challenge? Do they have to find their way home? Do they need to solve a mystery or save the world before bedtime? You did it. Great job. Now you have a movie idea. Write it down in your book, and if you want, act it out with a friend. I can't wait to see what amazing stories you come up with. Happy filmmaking. I'll see you next time.